Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by removing the screws from the base of the robot using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically 6 screws that need to be taken out. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the robot. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the cover. If you encounter any resistance, double check for any screws you may have missed. Now you should have access to the internal components of the robot. Next, inspect the circuit board for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken connections. If you notice any issues, use your multimeter to test the continuity of the circuit. This will help you identify any faulty components that may need replacing. If you find damaged components, you can desolder them using a soldering iron. Make sure to have a steady hand and work carefully to avoid damaging the circuit board further. If you're not comfortable with soldering, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. After replacing any faulty components, it's essential to clean the circuit board. Use isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to remove any dust or debris. This will help ensure that the robot functions properly once reassembled. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your robot repaired without any hassle. Once the board is clean and all components are replaced, it's time to reassemble the robot. Carefully place the cover back on, ensuring that all wires are tucked away and not pinched. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Before you power on the robot, double check that everything is in place. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. Finally, power on the robot and test its functions. If everything works as expected, congratulations on your successful repair. If not, it may be time to consider professional help. Remember, with our services, there are no calls, no travel, and we make the process as seamless as possible for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.